from B-Sonic here. We are at the Salt Flats near Las Vegas. This is SEMA week and we want to do something a little bit different. Drive out here, create some content with our friends Diego from Georgia. I'm very excited to be out here. Hopefully we get some cool content. Came here super early in the morning to get the sunrise. So we're gonna try to get some really cool shots, we'll get some rollers, and hopefully we'll create some cool content for you guys. Here comes done. Here comes done, Keong. I can run over those little things.
No,
right?
don't do it.
Oh?
You drive back home then?
It's fine.
Because there might be huge rocks and you do that. It's risky, yeah. It might be like a boulder, you know, screwed. So these radios get jacked up too much.
I got a heat shield.
Come ahead of us, please.
Come out of us?
Head of them?
Ahead of them? Roger. What's up guys? We are here in the Salt Flats near Las Vegas and we are here with an amazing crew, Diego, and there's also Marcello, and there's also Keith that's shooting the video right now, and we're out here. We want to just make things a little bit uncomfortable for these guys, so I want to ask them some questions. Oh, by the way, before I get in there, Diego makes amazing content. He does really good graphics and video editing, so we'll leave his Instagram, so you go ahead and follow him. If you ever need to use them, then you go ahead and do so. So make sure you do that. All right, let's go to the question. First question, what's your favorite car? What do you like? You're a car guy.
Oh man, my favorite car, but
Yeah.
I have on list is the cars.
Yes, your number
But
one.
My number one is a Dodge Demon.
Dodge Demon. Oh man.
Yeah,
That's a really fast car.
Yeah. But this is the first one. The second car, I like German cars.
You like German cars? Okay.
Yeah, Audi RS6.
Nice. Good
I have one
choices.
Q3.
Yeah.
It's a project for RS6, no
Awesome.
project.
Okay.
But I like German car, Porsche,
Porsche.
Audi.
Oh yeah, those are
Yes.
nice. Oh, good
But-
choices.
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, next question is how many times you've been to SEMA?
This is the second time.
Second time SEMA.
In the SEMA, yeah.
Okay,
It's
so yeah, last year was first time.
Yes, the last year for my first time
That's
with
cool.
you.
Yeah, with us.
Yeah,
Yeah,
with
with
you.
ShiftPower Throttle Response Controller. Yes.
Yeah. But I work for another event
Yes.
for a long more times.
Yes.
But the SEMA, it's second time.
That's awesome.
But I work with another.
He's been doing car content for over 10 years. Almost at 100, but you're not 100 years old, so I can't say 100. So almost, more than 10 years, he's been doing car content. He knows his stuff, especially in the East Coast area, but he travels all around the world. So amazing content. Thank you for everything you share to the world. That's amazing. All right, so before we get into the last question, let's introduce Marcello here. Come join us. All right. Marcello is also the part of the media crew today, and they're doing an amazing job. You know, look at this cool rig that they set up on this car. They got this, they got some amazing shots. You know, got another camera here. We did a lot of rollers, and we're super excited to see the content that they created. And Marcello, so what is your favorite car?
R34 Skyline.
Arthur, oh man, that's
love it, man.
man, yo, I love that too. You see that blue one over there at SEMA, right in the center?
Yeah, we went that main entrance.
Oh yeah.
I was like,
Oh wait,
Oh yeah.
yeah.
That's the cleanest one I've ever seen. That thing looks so amazing.
It's really
and
nice.
Keith, if you had that, please add it on there. All right, we'll show us that to the world. And second question is, how many times have you been at SEMA?
so this is actually my first time at the
Your
big
first
show.
time? Oh, awesome, man! Congrats.
Yeah.
So how do you like it so far?
It's top tier, man. Like,
Yeah.
it doesn't compare to any other events. It's
Yeah.
exactly what I was hoping for. It's
Awesome,
crazy.
cool. Yeah, that's why I hear.
Yeah, privilege to be there.
Awesome, cool. Yeah, happy to have you here too, and our honors for you guys to be able to shoot the content for us.
Part of
too.
the life, man. We wake up early for this kind of stuff.
Awesome,
so.
thank you. By the way, guys, we woke up at like 3 a.m. today to come over here. So yeah, hopefully it's worth it for all of you guys.
Yeah, not so bad if you consider Eastern time, but you know.
That's right. That's right.
Yeah,
so early.
Yeah.
yeah, but opportunity and challenger for
Yeah,
record
challenge,
here.
yeah,
Oh man, it's
yeah,
amazing.
yeah.
I like challenge. Do you know? You know
I know.
what I mean?
You
What I
didn't
mean?
hesitate. I told you guys what time we're meeting. You said, yeah, we're on. You know?
Yeah.
You did not hesitate at all. You're awesome.
Yeah.
All right, so the very last question, ask both at the same time. Okay, I'm gonna ask at the same time. Okay, so most challenging questions. Maybe you guys could try to figure out together. Maybe you guys already know. But see, the word SEMA, S-E.M.A. What does every letter stand for?
Specialty equipment.
Wait, hold on. Do you know? Okay, what do you think?
No, I
The
don't
last
know. I don't know. It's special.
I got the first two letters.
You got the first two. You got the first two. Do you know the? Do you know the last two?
Manufacturer.
Manufactured automotive. I think so.
Association.
Automotive. No.
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 Damn.
Specialty equipment and maintenance and.
Holy
shit.
You got everything but the M. You got everything but the M. It's easier than you think. It's an easier word.
It's easier word.
Yeah, it's it has something to do with advertising. What's another word for advertising?
Specialty equipment and marketing association.
Market association. There you go.
I know.
Hey, it's
I
all
told
about
you,
teamwork.
I told you.
It's all about teamwork, guys. You guys got it.
We got it.
Awesome. Hey, congratulations, guys. But hey, thanks again for being out here,
Thank you.
making all this content. It's amazing. We're really looking forward to everything that
thank you
we
so
can do together. Yeah, awesome. Thanks, guys, and enjoy the rest of your show.
Thank you. We aim to impress.
Thank you one more time.
Thank you. Awesome. Sweet. Hey, thanks, guys. What's up, guys? Eric from B-Sonic again, and we just finished filming and shooting some videos over here at the dry lake near Las Vegas with our Lexus GX. Very excited to show it to you in the near future. We collaborated with our friends from Atlanta, Georgia. They have really cool content.
Merge onto I-11 toward Henderson.
They have really cool content. We'll leave their information in the link. And this is day 3 of SEMA, Wednesday. Day 3, Thursday. It was super early morning. We woke up at 3 a.m. So Thursday, so we have today and we also have tomorrow, and that will be it for SEMA. So we're gonna get as much as we can before the end of the day Friday. So stay tuned and look forward to the content that we're gonna share from you today.